camping is no longer just about pitching a tent and starting a fire. Today's outdoor gear is smarter, more compact, and packed with incredible features that make every adventure easier and far more exciting. From futuristic expandable campers and floating cabins to survival tools and portable power stations, these inventions are changing the way people experience the outdoors. Whether you're into overlanding, off-grid living, or weekend camping trips, there's something here that will seriously impress you. In this video, we're counting down 20 camping inventions that are insanely cool and built to take outdoor adventures to the next level. AuroraHut Igloo. The AuroraHut Igloo is one of the most futuristic camping inventions ever created, combining luxury glamping with an incredible connection to nature. Designed in Finland, this floating glass igloo can be used on water, ice, or land throughout the year. Its panoramic glass walls and roof give campers stunning views of the sky, northern lights, and surrounding landscapes while staying warm and comfortable inside. The interior includes a cozy bed, kitchen space, Wi-Fi, heating system, and eco-friendly power support using solar and biofuel energy. It's a perfect mix of modern technology, sustainability, and unforgettable outdoor adventure. Beauer. The Beauer is one of the most impressive innovations in modern camping design, turning a compact trailer into a surprisingly spacious living area within seconds. At first glance, it looks like a small, lightweight towable unit, but once expanded, it nearly triples its interior space through a smart telescopic system. This transformation reveals a fully equipped setup that can include sleeping areas, a kitchen, dining space, and even a bathroom. What makes it special is how quickly and effortlessly it unfolds, giving campers both mobility on the road and real comfort at the campsite. It's a brilliant blend of engineering, convenience, and modern travel freedom. HALOXEEN. The HALOXEEN is a brilliantly creative camping invention that completely rethinks what a simple outdoor table can do. Instead of being just a surface to eat or cook on, it transforms into a full modular system that can work as a table, lampstand, tripod, stove rack, and storage setup all in one compact design. Built from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it is made for hikers, cyclists, and minimalist campers who want to reduce gear without losing functionality. Its foldable structure and smart attachments make it incredibly versatile, turning a single piece of equipment into a multi-use outdoor companion. Raptor Boats Platform. The Raptor Boats Platform is a bold and highly innovative camping invention that turns water into a livable outdoor space. This inflatable floating platform acts like a portable island, giving campers a stable base to set up tents, gear, and even full camping setups right on lakes or rivers. Built from heavy-duty PVC with reinforced air chambers, it offers impressive stability, safety, and load capacity for extended use. What makes it truly unique is the freedom it provides. You can fish, relax, or sleep surrounded by water. It's a creative blend of boating and camping that completely redefines outdoor adventure experiences. THEDOOKAN Loft Penthouse. The THEDOOKAN Loft Penthouse is one of the most futuristic camping inventions ever designed, turning traditional outdoor living into something that feels closer to a portable luxury home. This two-story modular tent offers a surprising amount of space, with elevated sleeping areas and a flexible ground setup that can be adapted for relaxation, dining, or storage. What really stands out is its smart engineering, strong enough to handle heavy loads while still being quick to assemble in a short time. With its open, airy design and innovative structure, it completely redefines comfort, making camping feel more like a stylish outdoor retreat than roughing it in the wild. FlameCube. The FlameCube is a truly futuristic camping invention that turns a simple campfire into a smart, multifunctional outdoor system. At its core, it is a compact wood-burning stove that not only cooks food and boils water, but also converts fire heat into usable electricity. This energy powers built-in fans that improve combustion efficiency, while also allowing USB charging for devices like smartphones in emergency situations. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it easy to carry on hiking and camping trips. What makes it stand out is the clever combination of fire, power generation, and portability in one small device, making outdoor cooking more advanced and efficient. CAM.G Mini. The CAM.G Mini is a smart and compact camping invention that adds an extra layer of safety to outdoor adventures. Designed mainly for winter camping and vehicle-based trips, it continuously monitors carbon monoxide levels, temperature, and humidity in real time. What makes it stand out is its portable size and smart alert system, which instantly warns campers when conditions become dangerous. It can be easily hung inside a tent or shelter, and even connects to a smartphone app for remote monitoring. Lightweight, yet highly functional, the CAM.G Mini is a must-have safety gadget for modern campers who value security and peace of mind. Paxis Backpack. The Paxis Backpack is a genuinely smart camping invention that solves one of the biggest outdoor frustrations, having to take your backpack off just to reach your gear. Its standout swivel pod design lets the lower compartment swing to the front, giving instant access to essentials like tools, snacks, or camera gear without stopping your activity. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials and a comfortable padded harness system, it's made for long hikes, fishing trips, and travel. The organization is excellent, and everything stays secure yet easy to reach. It feels like a practical upgrade for anyone who values speed, convenience, and efficiency outdoors. Hitch-Home. The Hitch-Home is a genuinely impressive camping invention that rethinks how mobile outdoor living should work. Instead of dealing with bulky rooftop tents or complicated setups, it mounts directly to your vehicle's hitch and unfolds into a comfortable, inflatable shelter within minutes. What stands out most is its clever balance between portability and comfort. You get a stable raised sleeping space with built-in cushioning, weather protection, and enough room for a small group. The design also lets you detach it and leave camp behind while exploring freely. It feels like a smart, modern upgrade for campers who want speed, convenience, and flexibility in one system. REPEL. The REPEL is a smart and highly practical camping invention that combines 3 essential outdoor tools into one compact device. It works as a mosquito repeller, a powerful camping lantern, and a portable power bank, making it incredibly useful for off-grid adventures. What stands out most is its dual heating system that creates a protective mosquito-free zone while you relax at the campsite. With bright LED lighting and a rechargeable battery that can also charge your gadgets, it reduces the need for extra gear. Built tough for outdoor use, REPEL feels like a reliable all-in-one survival companion for modern campers. BLACKCANII Pro. The BLACKCANII Pro is a next-level camping invention designed to make cold weather outdoor sleeping far more comfortable and high-tech. It works as a heated mattress system that circulates warm water through internal tubing, keeping the sleeping surface consistently warm even in freezing conditions. Powered by a compact gas-based heating unit, it can provide steady heat for long nights while also using smart controls for safety and temperature regulation. What makes it stand out is its ability to deliver near home-like comfort in harsh outdoor environments. It's bulky, but for winter campers, it's a game-changing luxury upgrade for survival and comfort. Magic Fort. The Magic Fort is one of the most extreme and futuristic camping inventions ever created, turning a simple tent into a multi-room, multi-level outdoor living space. Designed as an inflatable structure, it can expand into a huge campsite that even accommodates a vehicle inside, essentially blending a garage, bedroom, and lounge into one setup. What makes it stand out is its massive interior layout, complete with separate zones for sleeping, relaxing, and storage, all protected from weather conditions. It feels more like a portable base camp than a tent, offering a bold mix of comfort, innovation, and over-the-top camping freedom. YOOATOM Origin 800. The YOOATOM Origin 800 is a next-level camping invention that completely changes how outdoor power is used. Unlike traditional bulky power stations, it uses a smart modular system with swappable battery packs that can be detached and used individually for phones, lights, or small devices. With up to 800 watts output and multiple charging ports, it can handle several gadgets at once while keeping energy flow flexible. What makes it stand out is its shareable design. Each battery becomes a portable mini power source. For modern campers, it feels like a clever blend of convenience, innovation, and off-grid freedom in one compact system. Aliner Evolution 15. The Aliner Evolution 15 is a rugged yet surprisingly comfortable camping invention that blends off-road capability with smart, compact living. Designed in a lightweight A-frame style, it opens up into a spacious interior featuring 2 queen-size beds, a hidden shower, and a cassette toilet, making it feel more like a tiny home than a trailer. Despite its solid feature set, it remains towable by many mid-size vehicles and can even fit in a garage. With quick setup, durable construction, and off-grid readiness, it's built for campers who want adventure without giving up real comfort on the road. GT Pickup. The GT Pickup is a clever and highly adaptable camping invention that transforms an ordinary pickup truck into a fully functional mobile campsite. It combines a lightweight inflatable rooftop tent with an extendable living space over the truck bed, creating a surprisingly spacious setup for sleeping and storage. What makes it stand out is its fast setup time and portability. One person can deploy it with minimal effort using an air pump system. Built for off-road adventure, it keeps campers elevated, comfortable, and protected from rough terrain. It's a smart blend of mobility, practicality, and modern outdoor innovation for overlanding enthusiasts. GoSun Camp365. The GoSun Camp365 is a revolutionary camping invention that feels more like a compact off-grid home than a traditional trailer. Designed through a collaboration between GoSun and Camp365, it unfolds from a lightweight, aerodynamic towable unit into a spacious cabin that can sleep up to 6 people. What makes it truly impressive is its full solar-powered system, supporting cooking, refrigeration, lighting, and even climate control for true remote living. Despite its rich feature set, it remains easy to tow and quick to set up in minutes. It's a smart blend of sustainability, comfort, and modern outdoor engineering for serious adventurers. Aliner Switchback. The Aliner Switchback is a brilliantly minimalist camping invention, built for people who want maximum adventure with almost zero setup hassle. Designed to mount directly onto a pickup truck bed, it transforms into a compact insulated sleeping pod in about 30 seconds, making it one of the fastest deploying campers in its class. Weighing just around 375 pounds, it stays extremely light yet durable thanks to its aluminum frame construction. Inside, you get a simple but comfortable full-size bed, sound insulation, and smart storage drawers underneath. It skips unnecessary extras like kitchens or bathrooms, focusing purely on sleep, portability, and rugged off-grid freedom. Zempire Pro. The Zempire Pro is a premium camping invention that completely elevates the idea of outdoor comfort, especially for families and group campers who want space without sacrificing durability. Built with Zempire's advanced airframe system, it replaces traditional poles with inflatable beams that make setup surprisingly fast and stable, even in rough weather. Once pitched, it feels more like a portable cabin than a tent, offering large living areas, tall ceilings, and excellent ventilation. The materials are rugged, weather-resistant, and designed for long-term use. It's not the lightest option, but it delivers serious comfort, smart engineering, and a near home-like camping experience outdoors. Advenate Hybrid. The Advenate Hybrid is a true example of next-level outdoor engineering, built for campers who face extreme conditions but still want reliability and efficiency in their gear. It combines a telescopic shovel, avalanche probe, and emergency shelter into one compact system, reducing the need to carry multiple tools. What makes it stand out is how quickly it can transform into a survival bivouac. offering protection during sudden storms or overnight emergencies. Lightweight yet highly functional, it is designed for fast response in critical situations. It feels less like ordinary camping gear and more like a smart survival system built for serious mountain adventures.